Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra Part 2 Shlok number 41 Sattva Shuddhi Somanasya Kagrendriya Jyatma Darshan Yogyatwani Cha. There also arises purification of the sattva, cheerfulness of the mind, concentration, conquest of the organs, and fitness for the realization of the self. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. By the practice of cleanliness, the sattva material prevails and the mind becomes concentrated and cheerful. The first sign that you are becoming religious is that you are becoming cheerful. When a man is gloomy, that may be dyspepsia, but it is not religion. A pleasurable feeling is the nature of the sattva. Everything is pleasurable to the sattvika man, and when this comes, know that you are progressing in yoga. All pain is caused by tamas, so you must get rid of that. Morosins is one of the results of tamas. The strong, the well-knit, the young, the healthy, the daring alone are fit to be yogis. To the yogis, everything is bliss. Every human face that he sees brings cheerfulness to him. That is the sign of a virtuous man. Misery is caused by sin and by no other cause. What business have you with clouded faces? It is terrible. If you have a clouded face, do not go out that day. Shut yourself up in your room. What right have you to carry this disease out in this world? When your mind has become controlled, you have control over the whole body. Instead of being a slave to this machine, the machine is your slave. Instead of this machine being able to drag the soul down, it becomes its greatest helpmate. Shloka number 42 Santoshadano tam sukhlabhaha. From contentment comes superlative happiness. Shlok number 43 Kayendriya siddhir shuddhi syat tapasah. The result of mortification is bringing powers to the organs and body by destroying the impurity. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The results of mortification are seen immediately, sometimes by heightened powers of vision, hearing things at a distance, and so on. Shlok number 44 Swadhyayad Ishtadevata Samprayogaha. By repetition of the mantra comes the realization of the intended Daitya. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The higher the beings that you want to get, the harder is the practice. Number 45 Samadhi Siddhi Ishwar Prani Dhanat. By sacrificing all the Ishvara comes Samadhi. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. By resignation to the Lord, Samadhi becomes perfect.